Hey guys, we're live at 10:20 and we're running a mini for Mark's Droids figure. There they are. I got 25 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Looks like top 2 win spots in the main, I believe. Yes, that is correct. Paste them in here. There they are, 25 of them. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Didn't. Busted out there with a 3. Ooh, 2. Even better. Here we go. 7. We're back in business. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Bill and Troy, round 1. Eric and Wendy. Bill and Troy. Dustin and Troy. Ryan dominating there in our 5th round. Followed by Dustin and Donnie in our next to last round, round 6. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Our winners are Ryan and Donnie. Congratulations, guys. PFEXNS. That looks inappropriate somehow. I'm not really sure why. There we go. There's our winners. I'm done at 10:21. There it is. One last time with our somewhat provocative verification code. Ryan and Donnie, take it. Congratulations, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks a bunch.